Hello everyone, a big announcement. I will be at the Blossom Investor Conference in Toronto, and I will also be at the Blossom event in Montreal this year. So in case you didn't know, Blossom is having a massive giant investor conference where many influencers are going to be there, many sponsors are going to be there, including Harvest ETFs and many others. So get your tickets, everyone. I will be there. I will be on a panel. I will be speaking as well. Come and meet myself and my wife as well. Why not? We will be in the Toronto one and at the Montreal event. So I'll put the link to the events in the video description below. There's also Calgary, Vancouver. They're also going to New York, Chicago, and LA. But I will be specifically at the Toronto one, which is on Sunday, September the 21st. And I will be at the Montreal event as well on September the 24th. And to get 15% off your tickets, just use the discount code or the promo code Adriano15. As you could see here, I entered the promo code Adriano15. You will get a 15% discount on your tickets, everyone. So hurry, because tickets will go fast. They go very fast, and they will eventually sell out. So again, Toronto one at the Rogers Center, and Montreal, you have the location there. It's at a nice little pub style, more intimate event. And in case you don't follow me on Blossom, everyone, make sure to follow me on Blossom. Follow my portfolio live. And now you don't even need to, if you're like me and you don't really like the phone apps that much, you're on the computer and the laptop more, the desktop. Well, guess what, everyone? Blossom now has a desktop. You could use it on your desktop. It has an application online. So just click on the link below. There's an affiliate link. Follow me on Blossom. Sign up to it in case you're not already on it. You could follow my portfolio live, and I will update my portfolio right now. So if you go and download Blossom or sign up to it on your desktop, you don't even need to download the app anymore. Use the link in the video description below and you'll see my updated portfolio, which I usually do at the end of the month, but I did some updates after my July unveil. So if you want to take a look at them, if you want to see what my updated portfolio is, check it out exclusively on Blossom right now. You don't have to wait till the next portfolio unveil. So there you have it, everyone. Again, make sure to check out the Blossom events. I will be at the Toronto and Montreal event. Use my promo code Adriano15 to get a 15% discount for the Toronto and Montreal one. And in case you don't have Blossom, make sure to get it. It's never been easier to get. You don't even need your phone now. You could access it via your desktop. But make sure to use the link in the video description below so you could follow my portfolio live. See you soon, everyone.